This is my shed, or in other words, is the place where men find happiness. If you haven't seen the shed getting built, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. In today's video, I'm going to show you the process of building a mezzanine. An upgrade you must have if you have a shed with high ceiling. At the end of the day, it's all free real estate up there that doesn't get used, so might as well build a structure where I can have plenty of storage. Looking from this to this. Let's start from the beginning. Luigi, what are we doing today? Today we are building a mezzanine. So the plan is to do the first half, the same height of the opening, 2.5 meters, and the right hand side 2.1, so I got a little bit more space up there. We'll start with cutting the right length of the first post. We also pre-drill because it's easier to put the bracket on. First one going in. So there has to be moved here to make space for the crossbeam. And just like that, I've moved the electrical to make space for the bracket to hold the post. Post number 1, post number 2. We're reusing this, which was above there. It was all bent. We ended up making it straight. Pretty happy with it. I missed it and I hit the concrete. Idiot.
Precision.
Precision. Shannon is pre-drilling the middle post and I'm doing the same to get all the brackets in the back columns of the shed to support the beams. It's lunchtime for Luigi and beer time for us. Here we are cutting the crossbeam for the middle post. It did took a little bit of time to set everything up and pre-drill all the supporting brackets, but once we started assembling all the posts, the mezzanine is going up pretty quick. Here we are finally adding the front beam on the left section. And just after that, here comes the rear one. Before securing it with nuts and bolts, we wanted to make sure everything is square and even. After that, we're starting on the right side. Front beam goes up first, followed by the one on the back. As you can see, the right section is much lower. That is because I get more storage space up there, but I don't want to compromise the height on the left side because I'm gonna end up parking the camper trailer, and if anything tall get parked under there, at least it can match the same height of the roller door. After securing everything, we started with the wooden cross beams. We used framing pine. We were gonna use steel to match everything else, but it would have been more expensive and a bit harder to work with. Like this is quicker, cheaper, and it still had loads of strength once the floor gets screwed onto it. Finally, on to the last stage, the floor. We are using yellow tongue structural floor. Board after board, we are making progress. Once screw down the boards, the other one cuts them. And after all day of teamwork, we are nearly finished. And this is the final result. A lot of stuff to go through, and all of this, we'll try to make it fit up there. I am honestly very impressed with how much stuff I can fit up there. There is never enough storage for items that you use once a year, such as snowboard, the Christmas tree, and all the camping gear or bulky stuff. Did you enjoy this video? Check out how I've built the shed or my 4-wheel drive channel. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a like and subscribe.